Hello guys, welcome to Examhood. We are looking at today, we want to look at area of a trapezium. We have been treating area of shapes. We have looked at area of squares, area of a rectangle, area of a circle. So today we want to look at area of a trapezium. We want to see how we can solve some problems, some questions on area of a trapezium. A trapezium is a form of a parallelogram. Remember parallelogram? And we say parallelogram is shape in which the two sides are parallel. But in a trapezium, it is just two opposite sides that are parallel. The other opposite sides are not parallel. So this shape you can see on the board here is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. So how do we find area of this shape? How do we find area of this shape? Let's look at the area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is given by half times into A plus B times height. This A is the A and B are the two opposite sides. So we have, according to this diagram, half times A, we can take A to be 10 centimeter plus this other side is 15 centimeter. The height is 6 centimeter. So let's continue from here. Now, half times 10 plus 15 gives you 25 times 6 times 6. So let's see if we can strike out these two here one time, 2 here 3 times. So you have 25 times 3, 25 times 3. How do you get about it? 65 times 3. 3 times 5, 15, write 5 and carry 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So you have 25 times 3 will give you 75 centimeters square. So this is your final answer. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. So we're going to stop here for today. This is Examhood. Continue to follow us on all our social media handles. If you have any problems or any question as regards the questions we have solved, drop it in the comment section. For now, I want to stop here for today. Bye.